Hey, this is Jacob Lowry. This is my final for advanced website design. It's a website created for the Nature Conservancy, which is a free organization that protects the earth. And there's a logo created with the free logo design. And the nav bar contains all the pages, the About Us pages, what we do, get involved, and the shop pages. And this is made with the Poseidon theme, green background. And each page contains the social media buttons as a plugin for each respective social media on their pages. And the main page contains the mission of the organization with a donate button that will head to the page of the donation page on their actual website. And it's got a slider with some images of nature. And then the priorities are linked to what we do pages, and I'll go through those when we get there. So we'll start with About Us. The About Us page starts with just their mission, and with the logo slider of some logos of organizations that work with the Nature Conservancy. And then there's a priorities video at the very bottom. And the who we are is furthermore about us. It's got some photos and descriptions on the organization, and then a link to the other page for how it's achieved. It's furthermore explaining the website. So then what we do contains all the challenges that this website and organization goes through, like climate change and protecting the land and water. These are all semi-explaining the actual pages, and they have links that will link to them. We'll go start with tackle climate change. It's got another slider with descriptions on how they handle all these situations in each of these pages, and they're all respectively the same layout. And this sign up page at the bottom of the climate change heads to a landing page. There's a form to sign a petition commits to the website. Furthermore, go protect land and water. Again, another slider, some images and descriptions of how they do these things, and another link to the form. So each of these pages just describes ways that they handle their challenges. So we'll head to the Get Involved page, which is how the user can start to help the Nature Conservancy. And these are all links that will head to their webpage and there's a carbon calculator that they have on their website, which you can plug in all of the gas you use and how much items you have in your house and all that, and it'll do your carbon imprint. This is where you can leave a comment as well on the Get Involved page. And the e-commerce. E-commerce is on the same website, it's just hooked. And there is 3 categories for men's, women, and accessories. A header image of a featured item, and then some more featured items. And these all have a header image. So we'll go men's. And it's just some sample products, Patagonia products, 6 of each. for men's and women. You can add them to the cart, which is located up here. More accessories. And the cart, and you can pay with PayPal or with regular credit cards. There's a flat rate of $2 shipping. There's the checkout page. And then there's a page for your account. And that is my website. Thank you.